With Jonah Hill undergoing a body transformation, some people can get curious about his journey. But when an interviewer asked a question that didn't make any sense, Jonah was completely baffled.
So are you the fat guy in Hollywood still, or is everybody like look at you and they're like, oh wow, this is great, now you're healthy?
Do you have any other questions that are smart?
With billionaires having a lot of money, they never usually go out grocery shopping. Ellen put Bill Gates in an awkward position when he was asked to guess price of things you will find at a grocery store.
Of course. How much do you think rice-a-roni would be within $1?
$5.
Okay, let's.
The audience didn't like that.
Let's see. Oh, it's $1.
And well, after the first guess, he just let the audience help him with the answers, which makes sense considering he's been a billionaire for over 30 years. And after his segment, Ellen gave Bill Gates a check for $20,000.
We want to do something for you because we love you, and Shutterfly loves inspiring stories like this. So they want to give you a check for $20,000.
Quentin Tarantino is one of the most known and respected movie director of all time. When a reporter who wasn't too keen on his movies asked him about if the violence in the movies could influence kids, he had a pretty good comeback.
For so much gruesome, graphic violence. Why not let us imagine
Because it's so much fun, Jan. Get it?
Oh, really? Okay, I'd like to see you walk down the street and get attacked by some kids who've just seen your movie.
But you saw me. See, Jan, you're all messed up because you're talking about real life.
Oh,
and I'm
I see.
talking
And kids
about
at
the
12,
movies. You gotta
kids
get
at
it straight.
12.
After Robert Downey Jr. was asked the question meant to reflect on the years of acting as Tony Stark and his personal journey, the interviewer returned and asked Scarlett Johansson a disappointing question about her diet. And well, obviously she did not like that.
The Tony Stark character, and did you learn anything throughout the 3 movies that you made? And to Scarlett, to get into the shape of Black Widow, did you have anything special to do in terms of the diet? Eat some specific food or that sort of thing?
Like, how come you get like the really interesting like existential question and I get the like rabbit food question?
When Cara Delevingne was doing press for the movie Paper Towns, she went to a morning show who didn't seem to understand his sarcastic humor, and one of the hosts even suggested her to go take a nap.
As much. We figured as much.
We'll let you go then. How about that?
All right.
We'll let you go take a little nap, maybe get a Red Bull. How about that?
You make $5 million for 6 weeks worth of work. You can pretend to talk to Good Day Sacramento with some oomph.
After Halle Berry was accused of leaving the scene after getting into a car accident when she was invited to an interview with Howie Mandel, he made a joke of a hit and run right before Halle came on, and well, she confronted him about it.
This way, and she smashed right into me, but then she didn't say anything. She just left the scene.
Oh, Howie!
I do need to address that. Because, I was so shocked to come to what's like a home and be disrespected almost to my face.
It is normal that singers can get sweaty during performances as they have to constantly be dancing and singing. A completely crazy moment during a post-show interview with Taylor Swift happened when the interviewer suggested Taylor to take a shower.
Bonzi, we'll see you very soon. It's nice to see you. I think you need to have a shower now.
I agree, and I'm not offended that you said that. There's a lot going on and none of it's good here.
Asking someone to smile more is usually never a good idea. When Olympic gymnast Simone Biles was asked why she wasn't smiling at some of the compliments, she responded that smiling doesn't win you gold medals.
I was waiting for you to smile at some of the compliments. You didn't.
Smiling doesn't win you gold medals.
Okay.
In probably one of the most iconic Kanye West interviews, he completely lost his cool at the host Way for trying to give him advice which Kanye didn't find useful, and well, things got very awkward for a second.
Do it yourself.
How, Sway?
Take a few steps back to go.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers, Sway.
Kanye.
I've been doing this more than you.
Doing what?
You ain't got.
Come on.
It is no secret that sometimes female and male artists get different treatment. During a pre-show interview with Nicki Minaj, she was asked about some comments about her attitude, and that's when she dropped some truths.
Assertive. When a man is assertive, he's a boss.
Bossed up.
He bossed up.
Yeah, he bossed up.
No negative connotation behind bossed up, but lots of negative connotation behind being a.
At the 2015 Miss Universe, the host Steve Harvey made a giant mess up by calling another model a winner, and well, obviously many models didn't like the unprofessionalism of the event. So at the next year Miss Universe, when Steve Harvey was interviewing a model, she kind of roasted him.
I hear you spent some time in front of the camera as a TV correspondent. Any tips for me tonight?
Sure, you look over your notes beforehand, and most importantly, I usually pin my hair back so it's out of my face, but I don't think you'll have that problem.
Ah, that's the funniest thing I've heard. Girl, you better tell these jokes.
When Demi Lovato was leaving a store, she didn't want to answer a paparazzi's question, and that's when he said he was a fan, and well, it didn't go too well for him.
How you know what the fan is? I'm a fan too, damn it.
Name my second album.
Ah, come on.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.